Okay, so good afternoon, students. Today we will continue with the HTML chapter number 4 and page number 83. So we will learn about different tags of HTML. So we have learned about HTML basic tags like BR, PR, HR tag. Then we have learned about comment tag, span tag, pre tag. And today we will continue with the HTML list. Okay, so we will learn about HTML list. Okay, so in HTML we can make three different types of lists. Either, so one is here ordered list, then we have unordered list, and last we have description list. Okay, so we have three different types of HTML list. Now, as you can understand, in order list means वन आफ्टर अनदर, एक सीक्वेंस रहेगा जिसमें आप इंसर्ट करोगे. अनऑर्डर्ड में क्या है, सीक्वेंस नहीं होगा. डिस्क्रिप्शन में क्या, आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा कमेंट्स डाल के उसको डिस्क्राइब करोगे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न अबाउट अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. So tag we used for this list is UL. UL stand for unordered list. So it will not work here. Okay, so UL stands for order list and this one is also your container tag. Means जो भी आप इसके अंदर लिखोगे फिर आपको इसको क्लोज करना है. ठीक है, UL stands for unordered list. I will tell you. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of this unordered list. I will open your book part here and with the book part I will explain you the program and then you will have the better understanding like what is the meaning of this thing. Give me 1 minute, I will attach the internet. Okay, so this is your unordered list. As I have told you, in unordered means there is no sequence for any item. So you can see here in this program, we have created HTML body, then we have given one heading, and then we have write UL. UL stands for unordered list, and under UL we have taken one list. मीन्स एक लिस्ट के नीचे पहले मैं आपको आउटपुट दिखाती हूँ, देन यू विल हैव अ बेटर आइडिया. सी लाइक दिस. तो सबसे पहले आपने लिस्ट ली किसकी, पिज्जा की. ओके, देन इन पिज्जा यू हैव एंटर्ड पेपरोनी पिज्जा एंड वेजिटेबल पिज्जा. सो सी पिज्जा आपकी क्या है, यहाँ पे हेडिंग है. ठीक है, मेन लिस्ट है और उस लिस्ट के अंदर आपने दो एक लिस्ट ऐड की, पेपरोनी पिज्जा एंड वेजिटेबल पिज्जा. देन आपने एक और अनऑर्डर लिस्ट बनाई और उसमें आपने लिया बर्गर. बर्गर में आपने क्या लिया, डबल चीज बर्गर एंड कैनियन क्रीक बर्गर. ठीक है, खाने के लिए ऑर्डर नहीं ले रहे, हम प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास पास्ता. तो पास्ता में भी हमने हेडिंग ली और उस हेडिंग में आपने दो लिस्ट ऐड की, दैट इज अ रिवोली एंड मैकरोनी पास्ता. ठीक है, तो अगर आप ऐसा कुछ बनाना चाहते हो कि आपके पास कुछ पॉइंट्स आए और उस पॉइंट्स के अंदर कुछ और पॉइंट्स आए, देन वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन अनऑर्डर लिस्ट. इज इट क्लियर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अनऑर्डर हेयर? जैसे कि आप वर्ड में नंबर ऑफ बुलेट्स लगाते हो ना कुछ लिखने के लिए पॉइंट्स में, तो जब आप बुलेट्स लगाते हो वही बुलेट्स अगर आपको HTML में बनाने हैं, for that we have this unordered list option. Is it clear? Now with the help of practical I will explain this thing, okay, how we can create. Before that we will see one more list, then we will do the practical. So you can also change the bullet type of a list by using the type attribute. तो अब हम यहाँ पे क्या है कि ऐसा नहीं कि आप सिर्फ ये सर्कल ही ले सकते हो, यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शन और है। आप चाहो तो फील्ड डिस्क ले सकते हो, या फिर एम्प्टी सर्कल, या फिर स्फीयर। तो इन तीनों टाइप्स को, एट्रीब्यूट्स को आप यूज करते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टाइप एट्रीब्यूट। क्लियर? तो ये तो आपका क्या था, अनऑर्डर लिस्ट। अब हम इसका प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे। ओके, so now you all have to tell me how we can do the practical for this thing. Which application I have to open? One by one tell me everyone. Siddharth, sit properly beta. Which application we have to open? Notepad. Note it down. For creating any program of HTML, we have to open Notepad. So just write here Notepad. This application we have to open. Okay, and click on this one, Notepad. So this is the first step when you are creating your HTML document. Okay, so next we have to start typing the code. So as per the book, page number 84, Siddharth, why you are sending annotation request beta? So start writing here HTML. I will change the font style. We'll keep it simpler one. Arial, around it empty, and okay. HTML. Then we have to write body tag. You can insert also header, title, it's up to you. Okay. So next we have heading tag, so that we want to tell the user like which program we are designing. So we are designing here food menu. Okay, so we will give here food menu. आप कोई भी heading ले सकते हो यहाँ पे. H3 we have taken. Next, अब हमें क्या करना है, एक लिस्ट बनानी है. फॉर दैट वी हैव दिस टैग यूएल, और यूएल के अंदर आपको एक आई लेना पड़ेगा, एल आई सॉरी. तो यूएल में आपने क्या लिया, यूएल में फर्स्ट लिस्ट आपने बनाई एल आई. तो आप किसके बारे में लिखना चाहते हो, पिज्जा के बारे में. तो हेडिंग आपने दी पिज्जा, फिर आपने इसको क्लोज किया क्योंकि ये आपके कंटेनर टैग है. यहाँ तक समझ आया सबको? यूएल स्टैंड फॉर अनऑर्डर लिस्ट, एल आई स्टैंड फॉर लिस्ट. ओके, आपको अनऑर्डर लिस्ट बनानी तो पहले आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा अनऑर्डर, फिर लिस्ट में आपको डालना पड़ेगा कि आपको किसकी लिस्ट बनानी है. आपको पिज्जा की लिस्ट बनानी है, सो वी विल राइट हियर पिज्जा. देन पिज्जा में भी आपको अनऑर्डर लिस्ट बनानी, मींस उसके अंदर भी आपको नंबर नहीं लेने. फिर से हम लिखेंगे यूएल और एल आई. तो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ पिज्जा वी आर टेकिंग पेपरोनी पिज्जा. खाया किसी ने पेपरोनी पिज्जा? और विच वन इज योर फेवरेट वन? Vegetable pizza. Okay, so next we will take one more list here, that is your favorite one, vegetable. Okay, and we will close this thing. Done. And now see, this one we have closed, this one we have closed, we have to close this one also. Okay, so we will close this one UL. डन. अब पिज्जा की लिस्ट क्रिएट होगी. अब इसी के अंदर हम किसकी लिस्ट क्रिएट करेंगे, एक और बर्गर की. फॉर दैट वी विल अगेन टेक एल आई एंड राइट हियर बर्गर एंड क्लोज दिस वन एल आई. अब बर्गर के अंदर भी आपको स्पेसिफिकेशन लेनी है. देन अगेन वी विल टेक यूएल, और उसमें हम लिस्ट बनाएंगे. सबसे पहला बर्गर आपका कौन सा है, डबल चीज बर्गर. टू हैवी. विच वन इज योर फेवरेट वन? So we will write here double cheese only. You can write double cheese burger also. And next one we will take what kind of burger? Cheeseburger. So we will write here cheese burger. Okay, and close this list. Clear? Now see, this list we have closed. Okay, both open and close tags are there. Yes, Aaron, Canyon burger or cheeseburger, anything you can write. And this one is left, so we will close this unorder list. Done. Now one more list is there, we will create that one also. So last one is our pasta. So list in pasta. and close this one. Then under this pasta we want to create one more list, so we will write UL, and UL we want to create what kind of pasta? Ravioli pasta. And then close this one. Next we will take macaroni pasta, so we will write here macaroni and close this one, and now close this unordered list. Done. Now we have to close this main unordered list. Okay, this one we haven't closed yet, so that's why we will write here unordered. Unordered को close किया, and last one we have body tag. This one we will close, and this one also we close. Okay, so we will just copy paste here. Control V, not here, downside, and put closing brackets here. Done. Now we will save this program. How we can save this program? Tell me in chat box. We have complete our writing work. Now we have to save this program. How we can save? Tell me. No, first of all we have to save this Abhinav. Then how we can save? Control S. Okay, I have pressed Control S. Now with which name we have to save? We have to give one name, and then extension should be .html. So we will press Ctrl S. We will save this on desktop. We will take here name unordered list. Unordered list dot htm or html. आप कैसे भी सेव कर सकते हो. Both extension you can use, either htm or html. So html से हमने already save किया. So today we will save with htm only. Now we can go to the desktop, and how we can go to the desktop? Tell me the shortcut. No, we can directly press Windows and D key. See here, this window and this D key. So you will move to the desktop. Window key and D. This one is your window key. Okay, and this one is your D. So if you will press both the keys together, you will go to the desktop. So now we are on the desktop. This is the program we have designed. We will click on this and you will be able to see the output. It's working very slow, this system. So just wait for some time. Output will be here. See, output is here. Food menu. This is your one pizza list. This is your burger list. And this is your pasta list. Is it clear to all of you? I will zoom in the output. See. Is this clear? Any doubt, anyone in this program or in this topic, how you can create unordered list in HTML? Why we are getting this extra? I will check. We are getting in burger. So here is our burger list. We have started unordered list. Okay, so we have write this li 2 times. That's why we are getting that double. Okay, again we will do the correction. Press Ctrl S and move back and refresh here. So जब आप refresh करोगे, see that is one is removed. Is it clear how we can do the correction? Any doubt, anyone in this program? No? Then we will move to the next program. So next we have unordered list. Okay, one more thing is there, as you can see, it was telling like you can change this symbol also. Now rather than disk we want square. So we can write here in this UL, we will write type is equal to, in double quotes we will write square, SQARE, and we will close and we will save. It will save for only pizza, change for only pizza. Okay, क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ pizza का change किया. See, now you can see square in all the list. And if you want to change this one you can also change. Is it clear? No, now we have only 3 type of attributes: circle, disk or square. Is it clear? And if you want to make circle, just write here circle. So if I will write CIRCLE, it will create circle. So हमने सेव किया, then we'll go to the explorer browser, sorry, and we will refresh from here. See, circles are here. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so now we will continue with the order list. Okay, so order list is also same. The only difference, rather than using bullet, we are using number in order list. Okay, I will show you what is the basic difference. Rest programming part is same. Are you able to see this screen? Everyone? Okay. HTML list and order list. So order list is a list in which items have numbering instead of bullets. अगर आप ये सिंबल यूज करें, इन सिंबल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? बुलेट्स, जैसे कि आप वर्ड में भी यूज करते हो. 1 सेकेंड. Now it is visible. Screen is visible to all of you. Still not visible. Why? Abhinav, okay. Neha, is it visible or not? Front screen. Okay. So in unorder we use bullet, or we can say some symbols, whereas in order list we use some number starting from 1, and rather than using UL we will use OL here. Okay. So in order, unorder we are using UL, in order we will use OL tag. Okay. OL stands for order list. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the program we have designed. Coding is same. The only difference, we have used here OL at the place of UL. So see here, numbers are here 1, 2. Is it clear? So default numbering type is 1, 2, 3. But we can change the type by writing this OL type 1, OL type small a, OL type small capital A, or Roman, or capital Roman, or small Roman. Okay, so we can change this number type also. Now we will create one program to understand this thing. Yes, Rishabh, when this chapter will complete, I will upload the PDF also. I know I have to upload, beta. Okay, so now we will do changes in the same program. Okay, so here in place of UL, we will write OL. Okay, and here also, or we will design new program, no issue. We will go with the new one. Don't save. And here we will create new program, page number 85. HTML, body tag, and then we will write H3 heading tag. In heading tag we are creating employee list, or we can create student list, anything you can create. Employee list, and we will close this H3 tag. Okay, now next what we have to do, we have to create one order list. So for that we will write OL, and in OL we want to create two lists, so we will write LI. So first employee list we are having sales department. Siddharth, why you are sending annotation request, beta? What you want to do? Department, and close this LI tag. Next, in this we want to create one order list, means इसके अंदर भी जो आप list create कर रहे हो, आपको उसमें numbers चाहिए. So for that we again write OL and LI. In LI we will write name of employees, write Vijay, and write LI, and again we take one more employee name, we will write Aman, and close this one. Clear? Now we will close this order list, this one. We will close this one. Now we will create one more list. For that we will write again LI, and we create for marketing. So we will write here marketing department. Okay, and close this one. Next, one more we will create. First of all, we will write OL because under this we also want some number. So we will write here LI, and here we'll take name Hina, and close this one. One more name we will take LI, and name we will write John, and close this one. So here I have done one mistake. We have to write here backward slash. What's coming there? OL. Okay. Now we will close what we have done. OL we are done. LI, then OL again. LI, OL close. Okay, then what is this LI? LI, why they have closed here? Okay, we will close here one more LI. Done. 1 second. LI, OL, LI, OL. Yes, beta. Body tag we have to close, and HTML tag we have to close. Now we will save this program on the desktop. Students who are talking during class, I will send you that. I will expel you from this class. Okay. Order list dot html. Save. Now from here also we can go to the desktop. Okay, here you can see these are the number. Okay, so this is your order list. Now you want to change this number. Rather than 1, you want to write A or B. So you can do that thing also. How you can do? In OL, just write here OL type is equal to small a, and save this program. Now move back to your Explorer and see small a is here. Okay. If you want to change this in Roman, so you can change in Roman also. You can write capital A, capital B also. So I'm writing capital A, and go back here, refresh, see capital A and B is here. Is it clear to all of you? Any doubt anyone in this program? I will zoom in the output so that you can see. Okay. Is it clear everyone? So today you have to design both the programs at the home. This is your